Ask any who and they'll have this to say: there's no place like Carlson on any workday. With Christmas approaching, the workforce is jolly, and no one expected there'd soon be folly.
These Carlson employees are happy and cheerful. Let's introduce a little anarchy and get them all fearful. What do you say, Max?
And so the Grinch and his companion worked out a plan. They needed a door, an opening, or path.
Bingo!
Sneaking inside, they went undetected. Part one of their plan went as expected.
It's showtime.
Finding the shop so tidy and clean, they knew right away it was time to get mean.
Accepted? Denied.
So he took every work order, every note, every tag. Fixing this mess would be quite a drag.
Ooh, this looks important. Not on our watch, Max. Ooh, leftovers. What a lovely front desk.
Every tree, every light, every gift was taken away, but he had to hurry. Short was his stay.
Oh, hey, Jace. Well, here's the deal. Things are really messed up around here, and I've been trying to call our whole team, and nobody's answering.
Yeah, lick the pole, Ron. Loser! Termination notice late bill fired! That's right, virus time!
I'm not sure what's got them all tied up here, but we need to get a plan together. Can you come over and help me right now?
Nope, I don't think I can leave my office.
Is everything okay?
No. I shot my eye out.
Okay. Oh my God, sorry about that. I'll think of something.
Assistance was needed, he felt in his soul, someone who's special and from the North Pole. Yes, Buddy the Elf went right to work, repairing the messes, the turmoil, the quirks. He visited every employee, restoring the order. He replaced the gifts taken by a hoarder. He sorted the chaos and didn't worry where to start. He even found the Grinch, who had a change of heart. Yes, Christmas was saved, the holiday spirit renewed. But some habits are hard to break. They stick like glue.